This week on DevCentral Connects, I want it to work. I'm gonna bang on the labs all day. I do wanna play and let those worries fade away. Testing cloud solutions can be complicated. F5's Digital Customer Engagement Center has made it simple. Join Jason Rahm and John Wagner on Thursday, September 30th, 12:30 Pacific, when they welcome F5's own Vinny Mazza and John Callalang. They've developed an easy way to use demos of the F5's public cloud solutions using the three major public cloud providers and Terraform. Simple to deploy, simple to show, simple to tear down. The link in the description sets your reminder. DevCentral Connects is live every Thursday, 12:30 Pacific. You too can play. Join the crew on Thursday.